So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Kaavya time. So guys, today we'll be making magnets. So I think that all the materials you must have them at your house. So let's start making it. So firstly, we need three materials. Those are a safety pin, a scissor or a compass or a nail. You can use any one of them. I'm using a scissor. So it is an iron scissors or steel IDK, and we have two magnets because we are doing three activities today. Okay, two magnets. So let's start making a magnet. So firstly, let me show you a sample like this. I'm not touching it or doing anything to it. It's just floating in the air with the scissors. Okay. So how to make it? First, you need to take one magnet and rub it on the scissors. But make sure you're using only one side. You cannot change the side in between. Okay, I'm choosing this side. So let's do it 40 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So now let's try it and see. It picks up the pins, and if you want you can take more pins also. I think we can take 3 pins maybe. Let me try. 1 pin with 2 pins. I think 3 pins is the max, like maximum pins you can attach, or maybe 2 or maybe more than that. Okay, so this was how to make a magnet. So next activity is like how strong the magnets can be. Let me show you. So for that we need a notebook. Any notebook you can take, a rough notebook. Okay, we are not going to write anything on it. Okay, so we'll take 2 magnets in this. Okay, we'll put one magnet over here, one magnet over here. See, you see that on the both sides there are one magnet each, and they're attaching. We can also put them on a 2 paper gap. Let's see, it fills like 2 or maybe 3 even. It can be, see, even in 3 you can do that. Okay, so this was our second activity, and guys, I'm gonna explain these activities in the end. And now our third activity is that we need 2 magnets. Okay, so let's do it. See, so observe what is happening. It is repelling it. It's like running away from it, right? You can see. Okay, but if I change the side, it attracts. See, it's not repelling. But if I do this, it can never attract. Wait, sorry. See, it's like running away. Yeah. So now I'm gonna explain these activities. So firstly, how we are making a magnet. First, we were using a scissor, which is mostly made out of iron, the blade of the scissor, whatever we call it. Okay, this is mostly made of iron or steel maybe. Okay, so if we rub a magnet on it, the power of the magnet will it will shift onto the scissors. Okay, and then when we use safety pin, the scissor will act like a magnet. Okay, it will lift up. Oh, sorry, I think, yeah. And guys, this is a temporary magnet. This is not forever. Yeah, but it still happens for a while, like 4 to 5 minutes it happens, or maybe less than that. Okay, so now I'm gonna explain that. So first let's explain this repelling and attracting one. Okay, so in that, the thing is that if both the poles are same, see, one magnet has two poles. First, it can be north pole and south pole. It can also be different, like south pole, north pole. It can any. Okay, so one magnet has two poles. Okay, even the smallest piece of a magnet would have two poles. Okay, so in this we see that if the poles are different from each other, like for example, this is north pole and this is south pole, then then it will attract. Wait, yeah, it will attract. It will not repel. Okay, but if I shift it, like for example, this is both north or both south, then it will run away from it. Okay, and now what I was doing, yeah, the page activity. So see, the force of the magnet is like too much, you know. It can sometimes also happen, like for example, you have a table or a desk. Sometimes not, can sometimes happen, but mostly no, I don't think. Yeah, I don't think. Sometimes it can happen, like if you put it under a desk, if you're school or anything, you can take magnets. I think it's allowed, then you can take. So it will like not move from there. Okay, so it is because the pull of the magnets is very strong. Okay, so yeah, so you can try these activities at your home. Okay, so this was for today, and see you next time in the next video. So bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.